What's up everyone, and in today's video we are going to check out the new clutch kit that I ordered for the CLK 55 AMG. I just want to make sure that, it has what we need and the contents inside are correct. This is again the clutch kit that I ordered for, well, I purchased for around like 220 bucks. So now the only missing link is the flywheel. So let me get a time lapse going. Looks like we got the pilot bearing and the clutch alignment tool. This looks like the new clutch disc. This looks like a new slave. So really this clutch kit is well worth it for $200. And last but not least, also by, an actual brand too, the pressure plate. Now, looks like it's been handled a little bit, but this will do. This is the pressure plate. Looks good over here. Looks good over here. Oh, there you go. So there's not much to it. Clutch disc, pressure plate, and clutch alignment tool, pilot bearing, slave. All for $220 shipped. So whoever you are that sold to me for 220 bucks, I really appreciated it. He accepted my offer. I explained him the whole story and everything too. Like I said, I got a really good deal for it. Usually these cost $400 new. I guess whoever purchased this decided they weren't just gonna replace the clutch in their car. So I'm not really sure what the backstory is. But either way, the only missing link now is acquiring a flywheel, which acquiring a used one has been a lot harder than I thought. So hopefully within the next, a couple weeks or so, I find a used one. I really don't feel like shelving out 500 bucks for a brand new one, considering a used one would work just fine. There's a couple on eBay, but for crossfires, but they're for the 05 and up. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of searching. I did fix the AC. Well, actually, there was nothing wrong with the AC system, as far as I know. It might leak out just a little bit. I haven't checked the amount of Freon that's in it since, but I charged it up, I think like a couple days ago, and it was blowing ice cold AC. Also found the issue why the center vent isn't working. A quick Google search online led me to look for a white wire that is beneath the firewall, or I guess in front of the firewall, and check this out. This needs to be attached over here, and obviously it's not attached anymore. This looks like a really cheap part that I could have gotten from a junkyard or purchased online, so I'll just purchase one of these things and hopefully my center vent will be good to go and it'll actuate and work properly. So look at that, CLK 55. Yeah. All right. Taking it. I think the bottle's almost out though. Oh shit. Come on, bro, you messing up a 3-piece wheel. This is just the lip and barrel. I got a face for it that I put on.
Custom 3-piece wheel for sale.
Also, the pressure that I got from code 7 inside the climate control unit showed that it only had 14, I don't know what's that, PSI or bar, but on the E55 it shows 1920, so I think I need to pour in just a little bit more until that goes up, and I'll have super cold, ice cold AC just like the E55, and we'll be good. If there is a leak, we'll find out eventually, because it'll leak out, but at least, it's, at least I know I can make it work for the time being, even though I'm not really driving the car, and that it's an easy fix, so, for now. And especially here in Texas, you have to have your AC, like, you cannot have AC. I did one summer in the E36 without AC, that was a terrible mistake. Do not want to do that again. So it's pretty much a running and driving and perfectly dateable car. Just need to find a trunk and, place seats and steering wheel, And I think it'd be perfect. And then do the manual swap, of course. And then the flares, and then the front bumper, and then, yeah, it's just on and on. Oh, when is it gonna hit it? When is it gonna hit it? Come on, man. Oh, there we go. Woohoo! 220,000 miles. Damn. That's just a quick and easy update. Just want to let you guys know that, you know, how things are progressing. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time. Peace. Alright, exactly.